Hello, si Ramil Vlog Boy po ito. It's Memorial Day, actual day ng Memorial. Ito yung magbabike lang. Maliit na tubig. Naka-charge na po ito for our trip. Sige. Kumusta po mga kababayan? Si Ramil Vlog Boy. It's a Monday, bakasyon dito, walang trabaho because it is Memorial Day. It's me and my bike and we'll explore the city of Fredericksburg. So tayo po ay nagbabike. This is the trail. Katabi ng mga trail ay mayroong ilog na tinatawag nilang Rappahannock at saka mayroong mga bahay sa tabi-tabi. So ako po ay nag-enjoy lang, just taking my time. And we will see what we get. So just to give you a rundown, I am here beside a EMS with all the ears just in case may malunod. Yan. Yan. So maraming tao. Wala mag-ground kasi Memorial Day, everybody's taking a dip. Still driving. Maganda ang panahon. Makulimlim. Lagi mainit. Here's my path. And here's the river. May bangko. Along the road are just people. Ito yung mga dinadaanan natin. Rappahannock River. Kung kayo po yung nagbabike, nare-relax ang ating mga isipan. Nakakapag-exercise tayo, ang ganda ng panahon, walang init, breezy, may kalamigan ng konti, may nakikita kayong mga ibang mga tanawin na hindi nyo nakita. Kahit na ilang beses nyo nang nadaanan ito, parang first time palagi. May paakyat, may papaba. Siyempre kapag umaakyat tayo, ginagana natin ating power steering. Pero kung diretso lang, we try to do as much as we can to just the regular bisikleta para naman siguradong exercise tayo. So we've been biking and reached the memorial place of the very ancient part of Fredericksburg. Nakikita niyo yung mga flag na yan. Yan yung mga taga 1500s pa ang namatay. So nilalagyan na ng flag. And one of the flags, they do it this way. Yan. In commemoration of the stars. Ito yung unang-unang flags nila. So one of them were born 1863. You can see all the flags right now. So to some, this is just an ordinary cemetery, but it is really a relic to the ancient relics of the originality of this place. Hindi nila tinatanggal ito, pinapreserve nila ito dahil ito ay naging tourist spot. Pinupuntahan ito ng mga ibang dako ng lugar dito sa United States. Kung pupunta kayo ng DC, mas maraming Arlington kasi yun pinapakita lahat yung mga general na namatay. Pero ito, so dumaan tayo dito sa isang bahay na merong magagandang mga bulaklak. Kinausap ko ang may-ari pero ayaw niya magpa-video. Gusto lang niya i-video lang yung mga halaman niya. Ito yung mga combination niya. Puro small creeping plants. And we're just around the house. Ito naman maganda, may bike. So some here, ooh, Fox Club. Yeah. Some of the nice houses around here. So we've been bicycling all the way from Fredericksburg on this Memorial Day. Oops, masasakyan. Some are jogging right here. Yan. Some of the big mansions, well, they're just old, but they are nice. So some of the bike trail that we do has river. Yan. This is where I'll be doing my bicycle. So this time we are off-road. Bako-bako na. Medyo delikado na. Hirapan tayong mag-camera dahil magalaw. But this is where we are going to this special part of the water. It's like a reservoir lake. Pero pwede ka maligo but no fishing. So titingnan natin ang pinakatulo. It took me like almost 15 minutes just to bike all the way from the main road towards inside. Before reaching the end, we went under the bridge, and this is one of those places wherein nobody really comes here because it's not an attraction, but it's something you'll see. It's a highway express
I'm a little bit deeper
use.
in town, so for people who are not used to coming here, it's nice to come here. So this is the very end of my trip. It's worth coming because it's a trail. Nobody comes here because it's very far. So when you come here, it feels like it's heaven. You see the ocean, and you'll see the fishes. I'll focus later.
If you're asking where I am, this is actually in Fredericksburg. Just here, local. So it's a little bit far to walk because it's a little bit deep. So mga kaibigan, tayo po ay patapos na sa ating hiking. Almost 5 to 7 miles yung ating layo ng pagbabike. Pero we had a good time. So kumusta po mga kababayan? Tayo po ay nag-bike trail sa buong parte ng cities kung saan ako nakatira. Medyo mainit dahil Memorial Day. Nakita po natin yung cementerio na maraming flags dahil doon po kinommemorate yung mga North and South Lee's Hill dito sa United States. So hope you had a good time. Bicycle, exercise, just to have a good time with myself and enjoy the weather dyan. Okay. Alam ko mainit ang Pilipinas, so kung meron po kayong tanong, meron po kayong gustong i-vlog natin, just let me know.
Sige po mga kaibigan, enjoy po kayo. Akala nyo Coron Coron Palawan, pero Fredericksburg lang po ito. Sige, enjoy. This is my scenery.